We've come out today just to test the new camera gadget that Lewis has made. It's a spinny round thing made from a paintbrush handle. I'll show you the finished article on the bike a bit later.
Fall off if you lean over that far.
This is my new gadget, which I can lift out and is controlled by a Bluetooth switch. Just have a practice at the pan effect while I'm moving along. Let's see if I can twirl fast enough to get Lou overtaking. No, not quite.
We're just contemplating whether that hole in the distance can get out onto the road. I think he might. I think we should maybe go.
Colours.
Yeah.
That's beautiful colour.
Apparently if we go down the other end, which we might do after lunch, you can swim in the water because it's clean enough. And you're actually allowed as well. It's not breaking any rules.
Oh, that's good. Well, that looks like a ramp down there where you'd launch a boat.
Yeah, I don't think for us though.
Are you not allowed to like paddleboard on here?
Yeah, paddleboard and kayak. Unfortunately, we can't fit paddleboard on bikes. What backdrop, eh? It's lovely.
Oh my word, what is he doing? He looks like he's trying to catch a breeze.